let's see what we're working on here. I had to remove 4 pieces of tile. There were holes in them prior because I moved the shower head and new fixture. So now what I'm doing is breaking out the pieces here. I'm chiseling them out so I can get a flush surface. Want the tile. So, nice flush surface. It's been a minute, huh? Hello. That's what we're working on here. This is the sealer. We've already deep cleaned it. And we're just going to simply add the sealer into the grout line and brush it in like so. See that? And when I return, I'm going to do the walls. See how they're grouted now, so that grout has to cure 24 hours. Once that cures, I'll come back. The client wants me to go ahead and finish the floor up on the walls. So you see the color of the walls are sort of like a mix of a tan and a beige. And we're just going to go with the gray all the way through just to make it consistent. And he'll be happy about that. All right.
That was another 8 or 10. And that was back in the days when stewardesses were gorgeous.
Exactly.
They didn't have no calls.
They discriminated back then. They discriminated.
Well, they did. That was a charge of age discrimination. Oh, I gotta go see if the dog eats.
Uh-oh.